Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th class. How are you? My dear students, today we will discuss about the practical geometry exercise 13.2. Dear students, practical geometry helps us to draw the different shapes and the diagrams with the help of the compass, scale, ruler, pencil, etc. Dear students, according to Smart Syllabus, there are two questions are given. There are two questions are given into our syllabus. Question number 4 and question number 5. Question number 4 is about the circumscribe a circle about an equilateral triangle ABC with each side of length 4 cm. There are two things which we will discuss. First thing is that equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means the triangle in which all the sides and all the angles are equal in measurement. And circumscribe a circle. Circumscribe a circle means you can see that a circle which passes from all the vertices of the triangle. Like this, this is a triangle ABC. If a circle passes in such a way that it touches all the vertex, then it is known as a circumcircle or circumscribes. Okay. According to the definition of circumscribed circle, a circle which passes from all the three vertices of the triangle is called a circumcircle. How can we draw? You can see the diagram as well as you can see or observe the construction steps. Given is that triangle ABC with all length of sides are equals to 4 cm. Our requirement is that we will draw the circumcircle. Steps. Number 1 is that draw a line segment AB is equals to 4 cm. First of all, you will draw a line segment AB which is equals to 4 cm, and after that you will draw an arc of 4 cm. Means this is equilateral, so all sides must be equal. You will open your compass at the length of 4 cm and draw an arc of 4 cm from point A, and then you will draw another arc from point B. Both arcs will meet each other or intersect with each other at point C. Now you will join point C with A and C with B, and after that you will draw the perpendicular bisectors of line AB, BC and AC. How can you draw this perpendicular bisector? Which we have, this method we have discussed in detail in our exercise 13.1. So if you want to see this method, then you will go to that video and you will go open it, and then you can understand the rule how we can draw the perpendicular bisector. All the perpendicular bisectors of all the sides are intersect with each other at the point I. Point I actually is the center of the circle. You will fix your compass here and then open at the length of the OA, means the radius is IA, so or IB or IC as you wish. And then you will, after fixing your compass here, you will draw the circle which passes from point A, B and C. If you have construct this diagram very carefully, then it is very easy. You will easily draw a circle which touches all the side or the vertex. If there is any problem, then you will go for the again you will do this question again. Do not raise this question, because in geometry if you will erase, then there will be a problem or trouble. So you will just leave this and you will draw the diagram again. Okay, one thing. And second thing is more that you will check your compass. If your pencil and your compass both are equal, like this one, you will check. You can check this, that both these two things must be equal. Okay, and your pencil must be sharp. And now we will move to question number 5, which is inscribe a circle, which is also known as an incircle, in an equilateral triangle ABC with each sides of length 5 cm. Again, dear students, we have an equilateral triangle, but its length is given in 5 cm. In our previous question, the length is equals to 4. Now length is 5. First of all, we will draw the circle. We will draw the triangle like the previous method. Means first we will draw line segment AB 5 cm, and then we will open your compass at a 5 cm length, and then put the compass here, fix the compass at point A and draw an arc, then fix your compass at point B, draw another arc. Both arcs intersect with each other at point C. Join C with A and with B, and this is the equilateral triangle, means all its sides are equal in measurement. After that, now we will draw the angle bisector. In our previous question we have drawn the side bisector, and now here we will draw angle bisector. How can we draw an angle bisector? First of all, you will put the angle sign here. You fix your compass here and you will put the angle sign like 1, A, B, C, angle C. And after that, you will fix your compass at point here. Open your compass and fix at point this and draw an arc. Now you will fix your compass at point this and you will draw another arc. Both arcs intersect at each other. Then you will join this intersecting point with point A. And now we are going to bisect the angle B. How can we bisect? Put your fix your compass at point this and draw an arc. Now you will fix your compass at point this and draw another arc. Then join this point with point B. Now move to point C, draw an angle sign, and then put your compass at point C and draw an arc, and then again you will put your compass at this point and then draw another arc. Both arcs will meet at each other, and then you will draw this point with C. Dear students, remember one thing: when you are going to draw the angle bisector or right bisector, then do not change the length of the compass. Okay, and now all these angle bisectors are concurrent. Concurrent means they will intersect with each other at the single point O. O is the center of the circle. Now you will fix your compass at point O and draw a circle in such a way that it touches all the sides of the circle of the triangle internally. And this is the definition of incircle also. That incircle actually is a circle which touches all the sides of triangle internally. Then this is our required incircle. My dear students, with this method I hope so that you will got the clear concept, and after drawing this you will draw the construction steps carefully. Write all the steps very carefully with given and required also, and I hope so that you have no problem to draw this. Take care yourself. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.